Hey guys, in this video I'm going to let you know how to use a Depop or how does a Depop work. Now Depop is a popular social shopping app designed for buying and selling fashion items, particularly second-hand or vintage clothing. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can use a Depop. First thing, you can start with downloading an application, or you can use a web browser. Either way, the procedures can remain the same. Next, you need to go ahead and log in. Then you need to go ahead and create your account. So in order to create your account, press the sign up button and you need to register yourself, so enter the information and all of that. Then you need to set your profile, so you have to create a seller's account, so you need to go ahead and add a bio, profile, and link your PayPal account for transaction, all of that. Next, you can use the main feed to see items that matches your interest, follow the sellers, and discover trends. Then you can use the search bar tool to find a specific item, brands, or seller. Then you need to click an item to see more photos, description, price, and seller information. You can also use the messaging feature to ask questions or negotiate the price. After that, you can click the buy to purchase immediately or use the offer feature to suggest a low price. After that, you need to sell the item, so you need to click on the sell button, take a photo, add a description, set a price, and you need to choose who pays for shipping and set your shipping rates. After that, you can also promote your listing on any other social media platform. Then you can manage your sell, all of that. Now, by following the steps and tips, you can effectively buy and sell on Depop, making the most out of the platform. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.